Want to become a millionaire faster? Here are 25 tips that can help you achieve that dream. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about the money. It's about adopting the right mindset, making smart decisions, and most importantly, taking action. It's about understanding the value of time, the power of persistence, and the importance of discipline. So whether you're just starting out or you're halfway there, these tips can help you reach that 7-figure milestone. Ready to dive in? Remember, the journey to a million begins with a single step. Scene script. Tip 1. Start saving. Money saved is money earned. The faster you start saving, the quicker you'll reach your goal. Moving on to tip 2. Invest smartly. Your money should be working for you around the clock. Consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate to help grow your wealth. Tip 3. Diversify your income sources. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Look for additional streams of income, be it a side business, freelancing, or even passive income opportunities. Tip 4. Reduce debts. High-interest debts can be a major roadblock in your journey to becoming a millionaire. Prioritize paying off your debts as soon as possible. And finally, tip 5. Constantly learn new skills. In today's ever-changing world, continuous learning is key. By expanding your skill set, you're opening doors to more opportunities that can boost your income. Remember, it's not about the amount you save, it's about the habit of saving. Tip 6. Set financial goals. A millionaire mindset starts with clear, achievable financial goals. These goals are your roadmap to success, guiding your decisions and keeping your focus razor sharp. Moving on to tip 7. Network, network, network. You've heard it before, your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and drive you towards success. Tip 8. Be frugal. Millionaires aren't made by spending recklessly. Learn to live below your means and save. Every penny saved is a step closer to your $1 million mark. For tip 9, we have invest in self-growth. Never stop learning, growing, and improving. Your greatest asset is you. Invest in your skills, knowledge, and experiences. And finally, tip 10, adopt a positive attitude. Millionaires don't let failures deter them. They see every setback as a setup for a comeback. Remember, don't just dream about being a millionaire, set a date. Tip 11, leverage the power of the internet. The internet is a goldmine if you know where to dig. This vast digital landscape holds opportunities galore, from starting an online business to mastering the art of investing. Moving on to tip 12, invest in real estate. While it may seem daunting, real estate can provide a steady flow of income and long-term financial security. It's all about location, market research, and timing. Next up, tip 13, create passive income streams. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. Think royalties from a book, earnings from a blog, or dividends from stocks. Tip 14, take calculated risks. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Be bold, but always weigh the pros and cons. Finally, tip 15, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about overall well-being. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, and ensure you have a proper work-life balance. Let the internet be your shovel in your gold mine. Tip 16, surround yourself with successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So surround yourself with those who are where you want to be, those who inspire you to aim higher, do more, and become more. Moving on to tip 17, prioritize your mental health. The pathway to becoming a millionaire is often a stressful one. It's crucial that you take care of your mental health to ensure you're able to persevere through the challenges. Next up, tip 18, be persistent. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It takes time to build wealth, so keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Tip 19, be open to new ideas. The world is constantly changing, and so should your strategies. Embrace change, innovate, and adapt. Finally, tip 20, learn from failures. Mistakes are the stepping stones to success. Don't fear them, learn from them. Remember, success breeds success. Tip 21, don't be afraid to ask for help. Even self-made millionaires had mentors. It's not a sign of weakness, but a mark of wisdom to seek guidance when you're uncertain. Moving on to tip 22, be patient. The journey to wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time to build sustainable wealth. Don't rush the process, but trust it. Tip 23, stay motivated. Motivation fuels your enthusiasm and keeps you on track. Find what sparks your passion and use it to keep your entrepreneurial fire burning. Next is tip 24, avoid procrastination. Time is money. The longer you wait to start, the further away your millionaire dreams become. Take action today. And finally, tip 25, be consistent. Consistency is the key to success in any venture. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep growing. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So, there you have it, 25 tips to help you become a millionaire faster. These nuggets of wisdom are the stepping stones on your path to wealth. Each one is a valuable piece of the puzzle, from expanding your income streams and investing wisely, to living below your means and continuously educating yourself. Let's remember, though, that while these tips can guide you, becoming a millionaire isn't just about the destination. It's about the journey. It's about the perseverance that you show when times are tough, the patience you exhibit when results aren't immediate, and the positivity you maintain even when the odds seem stacked against you. You see, wealth isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about having a wealth of character, a wealth of knowledge, and a wealth of experiences. And these tips aren't just about making you a millionaire. They're about making you a better person, a better investor, and a better entrepreneur. So, as you embark on this journey, remember these tips. Remember that success doesn't come overnight, and that every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards your goal. Remember to stay focused, to stay driven, and above all, to enjoy the journey. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to $1 million today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like these. Remember, your millionaire journey starts here.